film with how epic it is. It's going to be a feast for their eyes.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is fairest of them all?
The director, Rupert, conjured up visuals that absolutely transported you somewhere else, and it wasn't at all what I expected.
The attention to detail in every set was absolutely sensational.
Because he's done hundreds of commercials on a large scale. Rupert knows how to tell such a vivid story and with just such great imagery.
Everything that we're shooting is either a real location or we're building immense sets.
It kind of takes your breath away every time you turn up to work.
Rupert is a very visual guy. He captures almost every kind of landscape. We go through the dark forest, the sanctuary, the kingdom in its Camelot stage of richness, and the kingdom in its disintegration.
Shut it away, guys. Enjoy yourselves. Here we go.
During Magnus's reign, life was amazing. There was a sense of peace, and so our dressing really reflects that. Everything is very colorful, and there was a lot happening. When Ravenna comes along, this ash has just covered the world. Her lands are burnt.
The Queen really symbolizes death, and Snow White is the beating heart of life.
There is a grittiness here, and it's a grittiness that strikes me as profoundly medieval.
This is an incredible opportunity to create a world that people haven't seen before.
Once the lights go off, we all want to go into a different world.
Lips red as blood, hair black as night. Bring me your heart, my dear Snow White.